Hydrogen energy, also known as hydrogen power, is a clean and sustainable energy source that has gained increasing attention in recent years. Hydrogen, the lightest and most abundant element in the universe, has the potential to replace fossil fuels and contribute to a more sustainable future. In this lecture, we will explore the history and definition of hydrogen energy, as well as some of the ways hydrogen occurs naturally. Hydrogen has been known since ancient times, but it was only in the late 18th century that it was recognized as a distinct element. In 1766, the English chemist Henry Cavendish was the first to recognize hydrogen as a separate substance. He called it inflammable air and demonstrated that it could be produced by reacting acids with metals such as zinc. In the early 19th century, hydrogen gas was used in balloons and airships, marking the beginning of its use as a fuel. In 1804, the French engineer François-Isaac de Rivaud built the first internal combustion engine powered by a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen aiming for hydrogen cell. In the 20th century, hydrogen was used in the production of ammonia for fertilizers, and later in the space program for rocket propulsion. In the 1970s, with the oil crisis and growing concerns about climate change, interest in hydrogen energy began to increase. In the 2000s, various countries including the United States, Japan, and Germany started to invest in hydrogen fuel cell technology for transportation and power generation. Hydrogen energy is energy that is derived from the use of hydrogen as a fuel. Hydrogen can be used in a variety of ways to produce energy, including combustion, fuel cells, and hydrogen gas turbines. One of the most promising applications of hydrogen energy is in fuel cells. Fuel cells convert hydrogen into electricity through an electrochemical process, with water as the only byproduct. This makes fuel cells a highly efficient and clean source of energy. Hydrogen occurs naturally in many forms, including as a component of water and organic matter. Water, or H2O, is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Hydrogen also occurs in various minerals and as a component of hydrocarbons such as methane. Hydrogen is also present in the Sun and other stars, where it is involved in the process of nuclear fusion that powers these celestial bodies. This fusion process is being researched as a potential energy source for the future. In summary, hydrogen energy is a clean and sustainable energy source with a long history dating back to the 18th century. With the increasing concerns about climate change and the need for a more sustainable future, hydrogen energy has become an important topic of research and development. As we continue to explore and develop hydrogen energy, it has the potential to become a key player in the energy transition towards a more sustainable future. Additionally, understanding the ways in which hydrogen occurs naturally can give us insight into how we can harness it for energy production.